Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a super power turbo fan. We're gonna go ahead and check this thing out, see what it looks like. So, opening it up here, we have I guess a whole instruction manual for it. We have the air inlet, gear indicator, power button. Okay, and this is, wow, this got some weight to it. This must have a good battery in there. And then we have the accessories here. So let's go ahead and check out what accessories we have first. Let me empty it out here. Okay, we have a long tube, a little bit there. We have this one here, pretty standard. We have these are great because this is like an inflator, so you can inflate balls and toys and things. This one here, standard. A little wrist one, a charger, USB to USB-C, and then a little sideways one. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this thing out here. It looks like I just hold this down to turn it on here. It looks like it's got 2 dots of power, so it's probably got a little bit of battery in there that it comes with. And then here we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we have different levels of strength here. We have 3 levels. So then I'm pushing this one here. Push it once, it turns it on. Push it, hold it down, and oh wait, push it, and then push that one. Why did I get it to stay on? I got it to stay on a second ago. I'm not sure, I'll have to figure this out here, how to get it stayed on a second ago. Play indicator, battery indicator, press and hold button. Fan starts at speed 3. Oh, maybe you just hold it to do it. On speed 3, okay. On speed 3, it won't stay on. On speed 1 and 2, you can just hold the button down and it'll stay on. Or let go of the button. On speed 3, you gotta hold it the whole time. Cool. Okay, and then we can put on the little ends here. So if I want this one here, wow, that's gonna be pretty strong. Look at that. Wow, that's got some power to it. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, on a hot day, man, this would be sweet to just blow. But okay. So then this will be good. I can dust off anything. If I have dust anywhere, this will be good for just cleaning up things. I have stuff all over here. I can just see the dust blowing in the air from my 3D printer and stuff. And oop, things are just blowing everywhere. So this is good. You could use this even to just blow leaves on the yard. So this is it here. It's cool. It's got the little strap, which will go through right there. Looks like there. I'm not good at putting those on there. But then we also have the USB-C port there to charge it. So this one here is really cool. I like it. So it's nice and strong, and you saw it easy to get going. So this video is just a couple minutes long and we've already got it going. We just need to charge it and then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna say this one's awesome. Thumbs up, really nice.